NVIDIA just dropped game-changing announcements at GTC 2026 that could reshape AI development forever. Here's what you need to know. NVIDIA revealed their next-gen Blackwell architecture with unprecedented performance gains. The new GPUs deliver double the CUDA cores and advanced tensor capabilities. Pricing remains competitive despite major spec upgrades. Enterprise adoption is expected to accelerate across data centers worldwide. This represents a significant leap from previous generation architecture. The keynote showcased CUDA 13's revolutionary features for AI optimization. New developer tools dramatically simplify model deployment and scaling. NVIDIA's AI foundation models show remarkable improvements in speed and efficiency. Integration with major cloud providers expands accessibility. These updates directly impact. Stock markets reacted positively to NVIDIA's announcements, with tech stocks surging. Enterprise clients already rushing to secure inventory for Q3 deployment. Competitors responding with aggressive strategies. The announcements solidify NVIDIA's dominance in AI infrastructure. Supply chain preparations underway for anticipated demand surge worldwide. Developers gain access to cutting-edge tools improving AI project timelines. Businesses can now implement advanced AI solutions more affordably. Career opportunities in AI engineering expanding significantly. Early adoption could provide competitive advantages. Stay tuned for detailed technical breakdowns in upcoming videos. Hit that subscribe button for daily AI news and breaking developments. Like this video and comment which announcement excites you most.